Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Let's Live to a Student Midwife. Today my video is in regards to Unit 16 of the Midwifery Access course. So I finally did it, finally passed it, but I'm just letting you all know of my achievements on my own YouTube channel and not the community hub. So to my friends and fellow learners, to the ones that are already on the unit themselves or the ones that will eventually be doing it, the further along you progress. Here are my tips and advice that I hope you'll find helpful for when you are doing Unit 16 of the course yourself. So tip number one is to ensure that you do thorough research of the key terms, words within the assignment brief or questions to ensure that you understand what is being asked of you. Tip number two would be to only do one question task at a time, otherwise you'll find it overwhelming. And this way you can fully concentrate on just one to try and get it right. Tip number three would be to also do a SWOT analysis, which is of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, to analyse and reflect on your study skills, to see what worked for you during your study sessions, what didn't work so well, and what opportunities of different techniques you found useful during your studies, and what challenges you had to sort of overcome under threats. So tip number four would be to also do a lot of notes, because whilst you are researching you need to think about how to write things academically, using the English language, to understand text and to make it easily readable to your reader. You are going to have to explain and reflect and evaluate your study skills. You are going to have to be critically thinking of what you actually did, and you are going to have to apply each question to your own work and your assignments. You are going to also have to write as sort of university sort of academically possible, because this will be the difference between getting the higher grade of a distinction or merit, and also it will be about your depth of knowledge and how well you understand the questions. Tip number five would be to just focus on one task question, because you will find them difficult, and at times you will find them challenging, but like any other challenge you will overcome them, and it's important to just take your time with this assignment to get it right. Tip number seven would be to make sure that you use in-text citations properly, especially after research, even if you've paraphrased it or you've written it in your own words. it just avoids plagiarism and AI, which is crucial to doing well on your assignment and achieving the higher grade. So try to stick it within the 20%, or just try and create an original, unique piece of work, um, commentating and summarising as best as you can in your own words. And tip number 8 would be that if tutor feedback is very vague or bleak, or you misunderstand it, then ensure that you ask before attempting to try and do the feedback, because very often the feedback isn't very helpful, especially if you don't fully understand it or the tutor hasn't explained things very well. And just make sure that you cover all points, all questions, and also the criteria, as this will help you to achieve the non-achieved, the ungraded unit. And I can proudly say that I've finally done it. Yay! So if I can do it, then so will you. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel at Let's Live to Student Midwife, and I'll see you all soon.